Most students get this wrong. They think getting a France student visa is complicated and confusing. It's not. The real problem? Missing one small requirement that delays or rejects the entire application. Here's the truth no one tells you. The France student visa process is actually very structured. If you follow the steps correctly, your chances of approval are high. But if you skip even one detail, everything slows down. In this video, I'm going to explain the complete France student visa requirements step by step for 2026. You'll learn exactly what documents you need, how much money you must show, and how the process actually works from start to finish. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap and avoid the mistakes most students make. Let's get straight into it. First, you need to understand one key thing. France has a slightly different system compared to other countries. Before you even apply for a visa, you may need to go through a process called Campus France. This is mandatory for students from many countries, including India. And this is where most people get confused. So here's your first step. Create an account on the Campus France portal and submit your academic details. This includes your past education, course choice, and university admission. Now here's where it gets interesting. Campus France may also require an interview. This is not a visa interview, but an academic evaluation. They assess your study plan and intentions. But here's the problem. Many students take this lightly. They give unclear answers and face delays. So treat this seriously. Now once your Campus France process is complete, you receive a no objection certificate. This allows you to move to the next stage. Now step 2. You need an admission letter from a recognized French institution. Without this, you cannot apply for a student visa. But here's the catch. The course must be recognized and aligned with your academic background. If there is a mismatch, it can raise questions. Now let's move to the next requirement. Financial proof. This is one of the most important parts of your application. France requires you to show that you can support yourself during your stay. As of 2026, you need to show around 615 euros per month. That's roughly 7,380 euros per year. But here's the problem. Many students only show minimum funds without proper documentation. And that leads to rejection. So here's what you need. Clear bank statements, proof of income, or sponsorship documents. Everything must be consistent and verifiable. Now here's where it gets interesting. If you have a scholarship or accommodation provided, your required amount may be lower. But you must show proof. Now let's talk about accommodation. You need to provide proof of where you will stay in France. This could be a university dorm, private rental, or temporary accommodation. But here's the problem. Many students skip this, or provide unclear documents. And that creates delays. So always have a confirmed or at least temporary accommodation proof. Now let's move to the next requirement. Health insurance. This is mandatory. You must have valid health insurance covering your initial stay. Once you arrive in France, you can register for the French public healthcare system. But here's the catch. Without initial insurance, your visa may be rejected. Now let's talk about passport and photos. Your passport must be valid for the duration of your stay. You also need recent passport-size photographs that meet specific guidelines. This sounds simple, but small mistakes here can cause delays. Now let's move to the visa application itself. You need to apply through the official France visa portal. Fill in your details carefully. This includes your personal information, travel plans, and study details. But here's the problem. Many students rush this step. They make small errors that lead to delays. So double-check everything. Now here's where things get important. Visa appointment. After submitting your application, you need to book an appointment at a visa center. This is where you submit your documents and biometrics. And here's the catch. Slots can fill up quickly. So book early. Now let's talk about biometrics. This includes fingerprints and a photo. It's a mandatory step. Without it, your application will not be processed. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some students may be called for a visa interview. Not everyone, but it can happen. If you are called, be prepared. You may be asked about your course, university, and future plans. And this is where most people fail. They give generic answers. Instead, be clear and specific. Now let's talk about language requirements. If your course is in French, you need to prove your French proficiency, usually through tests like DELF or DAL. If your course is in English, you need IELTS or equivalent. But here's the key point. Even basic French knowledge can help your application. It shows commitment to living in France. Now let's talk about processing time. France student visa processing usually takes around 2 to 6 weeks. But here's the problem. During peak seasons it can take longer. So timing is critical. Apply at least 2 to 3 months before your course starts. Now let's address a common mistake. Incomplete applications. Missing even one document can delay your visa. So create a checklist and verify everything. Now here is where it gets interesting again. Statement of purpose. While not always mandatory, it can strengthen your application. Explain why you chose France, your course, and your career goals. Keep it clear and honest. Now let's talk about after you get your visa. Your visa is usually a long-stay visa. Once you arrive in France, you need to validate it online. This is important. Without validation, your stay is not legal. Now let's talk about working while studying. France allows international students to work part-time, up to 964 hours per year. This helps with living expenses. But here's the catch. Your main focus should be your studies. Now let's talk about long-term opportunities. After graduation, France offers options to stay and work. You can apply for a temporary residence permit to find a job. And eventually, this can lead to long-term residency. So your student visa is just the beginning. Now let's bring everything together. To apply for a France student visa, you need to complete the Campus France process if required. You need an admission letter. You need strong financial proof. You need accommodation and health insurance. You need to complete your visa application and biometrics. And you need to apply early. Now here's the final insight. The France student visa process is not difficult, but it requires attention to detail. Every step matters. Every document matters. And the students who succeed are the ones who prepare early and follow the process correctly. So don't rush. Don't guess. Follow a clear plan. If you do that, your chances of approval increase significantly. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and comment below if you want a complete checklist or help with your application. Because the more prepared you are now, the smoother your journey to France will be. And that's exactly what you want. I'll see you in the next video.